Are bowling balls bullies? Learning about forces in motion with The Garbage Gang by Thomas Kingsley Troop. Meet the Garbage Gang. Sam Hamwich. Sam is a once delicious sandwich that has a bit of lettuce and tomato. He is usually crabby and a bit of a loudmouth. Gordy. Gordy is a small rhino who wears an eye patch, even though he doesn't need one. He lives in the city dump. His friends don't visit him in the smelly dump, so Gordy created his own friends, the Garbage Gang. Soggy. Soggy is a stuffed bear from a carnival game. She fell into a puddle of dumpster juice and has never been the same. Rick. Rick is a brick. He is terrified of bugs, especially bees, which is odd, since he's a brick. Candy. Candy is a robot made of aluminum cans. She can pull random facts out of thin air. Mr. Frigid. Mr. Frigid is a huge refrigerator that sprouted arms and legs. He doesn't say much, but he's super strong.
I'm going to bowl a perfect game and beat all of you guys.
Don't be so sure, Sam. I've been practicing.
I just hope they have root beer.
It's a homemade bowling alley and a junkyard, Soggy. There's no root beer.
Oh.
Wow, this place turned out great, guys.
Thanks. We even built it away from the beehive.
Nice. Thanks, Gordy.
According to my calculations, the energy used to create this bowling alley will provide 89.5% enjoyment for local junkyard bowlers.
Good enough for me, calculator. Let's bowl.
Hey, Mr. Frigid doesn't have a bowling ball.
Go find ball.
Should we wait for him?
Ah, pickles. Let us play. He'll bowl last, Gordo.
All right, let's bowl.
Hey, man. Thanks for opening the bag. It was getting stuffy in there.
No fair, Gordy. That bowling ball is alive. You're going to get all the strikes.
Who are you?
I'm Bo. Hey, great lane. I haven't knocked down pins in a long time.
You know, I always wondered, are bowling balls bullies? Do they just beat up on those poor pins to get a strike?
Seriously, Gordy? I don't think Bo is a bully.
You roll the ball to get a strike, I think.
Yeah, I know that, but there's more to it than that. How does it all work?
Throw me down the lane and we'll talk about it. Okay, let's get in the right frame of mind for this.
Bowling jokes? Really?
Everything moves, and I mean everything.
No way! What about my bowling ball? It's just sitting on the ground.
Earth is spinning, right? That's movement. Everything on Earth is moving.
Data shows Bo's statement is 100% correct.
I get it. Even though we're standing still, we're still moving.
You got it, Rhino. Earth goes around the sun. The sun moves around the galaxy. Everything is moving. Now, let's get me moving. So, do you know how you got me to the end of the lane?
Like Rick said, I rolled you.
Right, but to make me move, you used force.
Force? What's that mean?
My processors state that force means to push or pull.
Whoa, the robot knows her stuff. That's right.
Okay, so anytime you move an object, you're either pulling it
Or pushing it. Like you did with Bo, Gordy. You pushed him away by throwing him.
Sorry, Bo.
Sorry? Don't be silly. I was born for this, pal.
Hey, can I start my frame or what?
Let it rip, Sam.
Here comes the first strike.
Rick! Get off the lane!
Wait, Sam.
Watch what happens.
The odds of Sam's ball hitting Rick are 97.23%.
Ah!
Sam's ball was in motion because of the force he placed on it. When the ball hit Rick, the contact made the ball's motion change.
That's right. Knocked it right into the gutter.
I didn't mean to, Sam.
So when two objects collide, they push on each other, and their directions can change.
Affirmative. My records also tell me that if an object's motion displays a pattern, we can predict its future motion. So, we can predict a gutter ball.
Holy 710 split! What's that noise?
That's the magnet crane. People use it to move chunks of metal around.
Yeah, moving junk is serious business.
Perfect! That crane uses a couple of different kinds of forces.
What do you mean?
Well, first, it's pulling.
Of course. All forces are pushing or pulling.
Let me guess. The magnet? Does that make a force too?
It does. The magnetic force from the crane is pulling the metal chunks without even touching them.
That's cool.
Yeah, and a side of chips is tasty. Are we bowling or talking, gang?
Okay, it's my turn.
Okay, Blue Bear, roll it as hard as you can.
You got it.
So what will that do?
Watch. We'll see how hard Soggy throws it. A stronger force will make the ball go faster.
Incoming info dump. The speed of the ball will also affect the impact against the pins. Aww.
The wind pushed against the ball, so the ball didn't go very far.
Visual scan complete. A wiffle ball is much lighter than most balls. It is easier for wind to stop it.
Whoa! The wind acted as a force against the ball. The wind put the ball in motion and changed its direction.
Forces in motion, kid.
What frame is this?
The first frame. Longest game ever.
Come on, Rick. You've got this. Get the first strike.
Hey, little brick guy, want to try something?
Yeah, sure.
Climb that garbage pile and roll your ball down from the top.
What will that do?
The force of gravity will help his ball roll faster.
Gravy?
No, gravity. It's the same thing that keeps us on the ground. Gravity will pull his ball down the hill and toward the pins.
I like gravy better.
Here it goes, guys.
Wow, look at that little ball go.
I think I lost the ball.
No sign of it over here. It's Mr. Frigid's turn.
Where is that boxy brute? Did he ever find a...
Found ball.
Are you joking? That's a wrecking ball, Mr. F.
You gotta be kidding me.
Slow down, big guy.
Wow, look at that thing go.
There are all kinds of forces in motion and action. Frigid's push, gravity, and the impact of the ball on the piles of garbage. Everything is working together to
Make a huge mess.
get strike.
You definitely struck something, Mr. Frigid.
Yeah, everything but the pins.
Thanks for showing us stuff about forces in motion, Bo. You're not a bully at all.
My pleasure, Purple Rhino. I'm just happy to get out of that bag.
Sheesh. With all we've learned, you'd think one of us could get a strike.
It's only the second frame, Sam.
I'm going for a turkey.
Put me in motion, Gordy. I want to crash that pin party.
Holy Swiss cheese! He crushed those pins! Maybe Bo really is a bully.
Nah, I put him into motion, but he's definitely a force to be reckoned with.